talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh, I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. The name is JHHHH. That's not me doing it, my own echo. That's because I got special effects. Okay, really, I don't. Oh yeah, how y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling icky? Irie today. Let's talk. About to show you this video. These people out there scouting us out, talking about we ain't moving mail. I'm gonna have to agree. If somebody sent me a picture or two or three, and then a couple days later I see this on the news, I'm like, damn, I guess it was real. About mail being left outside at the stations. Tons of mail being left outside of the stations. Sucks, but this happens on a yearly basis. This tends to happen around the holidays. It's almost common, which is why some of these places that need bigger spaces, the consolidations are actually good because they had moved to a bigger place. It's my opinion. I've been to a couple places where they just got pallets sitting outside, and I think about my personal, like if I mail something, I don't want my stuff sitting outside. But if you look at this video and you look closely, you'll notice, and they say it in the video too, Amazon packages are being left outside, UPS packages are being left outside. Well, tell them some bitches to go deliver their own mail in, bruh. Y'all over here trying to make us look like we ain't doing our job. You overburdening our own carriers, bitch. They already got enough work. Holiday season come around, you giving them more work. The clerks are getting more work, and they can't keep up with it. And I mean, they don't even have the space for it. When you got pallets, because there was a lot of pallets just still sitting outside. I mean, Amazon, y'all a $1 billion company, you killing it. Get some more people out there. Go do your own reach. Now, I ain't knocking the workers, because the workers just do what they're told to do, but like Amazon as a whole, why y'all ain't delivering your own stuff? You keep kicking your dirt onto the postal workers, and then when we can't keep up with your stuff, we look bad. Man, bump that. Go deliver your own stuff. And then, you know another thing, Amazon, you know what another thing is? And you know, I don't deliver mail. That's number one. And I'm not a clerk where I have to pick up this stuff, but my kids do. My family does. So it's personal. Stop sending us these things that you claim are 75 pounds or less. And when you they got the European scales on there. It's like, oh, this is 63 kilograms. Yo, stop lying, bitch. You got our people breaking their back trying to carry some of these ridiculous desks upstairs, and we got half a couch here. It's only 62 pounds. What? Why are people got to carry stuff like that? Because y'all don't know how to train your people to bring stuff upstairs. And then they try to make us look bad. And you send your people out to go deliver. You got them big, beautiful vans. We out here delivering Amazon. We out here delivering UPS. We out here delivering Walmart. Think about that. We deliver and the USPS stuff. And I understand Mr. DeJoy trying to get us in the mix so we get some of that shmoney from, packages and parcels, because people using mail less, because we suck with delivering mail sometimes, most of the time, damn near all the time. But now you giving us this burden of being package delivery people, but they want to overburden some of the people. I see some of the workers. Now, I ain't knocking the older workers, but I can lift some weights. But if you tell me, Jay, to go and bring 60-pound box about this big with some steel-plated weights up 3 flights of stairs because your Amazon guys don't want to do it, yeah, I'm gonna be vexed. Yo, your guys is one thing I noticed. Amazon has young delivery people. Think about this. Whenever you see an Amazon person come to your door, 90% of the time they're young, right? Right. Let them slave and go up the stairs. We got people here that is in career mode, okay? And why these people 60 years old plus gotta carry something that a 22-year-old could be carrying, but because they don't want to drive a little further or it's outside of their route. Here's the thing for Amazon. If it's outside of your district that your drivers go to, same thing with UPS. Amazon always people order everything from Amazon, me included. It's microphone, Amazon. But if you order something and Amazon is say, oh, yes, we will fulfill it. Yeah, we'll deliver it if you're going to fulfill it. Deliver it. I ordered some big, ridiculous thing for my kid for Christmas, and that thing was heavy. It was just under the weight, though, that Amazon would, say, oh, well, we ain't gonna deliver it. So USPS had to go deliver this thing. And I'm like, man, that's whack, man. They push off all their heavy stuff on our carriers. Yeah, that's some bull crap, man. That's some You know what? I drifted off a topic. No, I didn't. Look, check this video out. And you guys leave your comments about this, because I'm sure it happens nationwide. This is just a discussion piece. There's not much we could do about it, because in about 2 months we ain't gonna have no mail. But that's just how the ball bounces, baby. This is JH. Check out this video.
Residents in Saudi Daisy say their post office isn't delivering their mail and leaving packages outside in the cold weather.
Yesterday, USPS told us that they were protecting the mail from the elements, but when we drove by their facility today, we still found packages outside.
News Channel 9's Jacqueline Davis joins us live from the office right now. Jacqueline, has anything changed there since yesterday, and what are residents saying today?
Kim, Josh, there has been a lot that has changed since yesterday. And you guys, it is a little dark outside, so you can't see the unwrapped packages that are to my right now in the parking lot. But as you can see, which is right behind me, there is a clear plastic wrap of those palleted boxes, from earlier this afternoon. This is what the parking lot looked like from the air from our News Channel 9 Sky View, showing the pallets here at Saudi Daisy's post office. You can see a UPS truck in the video. When speaking to a couple of residents as they were here at the post office, they said they think those packages in the back are from Amazon and UPS delivering packages from the holiday to be sent out. Yesterday, we took those concerns from residents to the post office, and a spokesperson told us that the pile up is from a recent increase in volume. They said, quote, the local office took an immediate steps to ensure all packages were secured and protected from elements, and we're continuing to monitor the issue and will act swiftly to properly handle all items received. Now, that was more than 24 hours ago, and they are, as you can see, still currently making deliveries right now as we speak. So we'll keep monitoring the situation and keep you updated on what's going on. And reporting in Saudi Daisy, I'm Jacqueline Davis with News Channel 9.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.